Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Fortnite emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today, you're going to be learning the Fortnite wake up emote. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash those noties. That way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And don't forget, comment down below. Let me know if there's another emote that you want me to do. I will stick them on the list and we will do them here. Until then, you ready to learn the Fortnite wake up emote? Let's do it. Alright you guys, so this is how you do the Fortnite wake up emote. You don't have to mirror anything. Normally I turn around my face this way. I've been getting some requests. People want to see it from the front. So I went ahead, I flipped the video so you don't have to worry about reversing nothing. Follow me exactly. Here we go. You ready? So, first thing you're going to do, okay, we're going to kind of turn our bodies this way. I want you to hop on your left leg 2 times. I want you to go hop, hop, and just come around in a circle like that. Okay, super, super easy. Lift up your right leg. Arms aren't really doing nothing. You just have them there. You're going hop, hop, just like that, okay? So after you hop around twice in the circle, okay, you're going to end up jumping on your right leg. You're going to go right, left, right, okay? That's it. You're just doing a little run in place, okay? So the right foot's up. You're going to step down on your right foot first. You're going to go right, left, right. So that left leg is still up like this, okay? And then the dog's going to come and video about me. What you doing, girl? She got a little cone on. She's a little drugged up right now because she got some surgery, huh? Come sit over here. We got that left leg up right here, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to come down and kind of just bring your body up like that. And it's going to be super slow motion, okay? So it's going to go hop, hop, da, 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 boom, 6, 7. You kind of come down like that. So just bend your knees. You're going to step 8 to go 1, okay? And when you do that 1, it's like you're lifting your right hand up, okay? And it's a little tick, so super, super small. If you put all that together, it's going to look like this. 6, 7, and hop, hop, da, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, okay? Now, if you need to do that a couple more times, pause the video, rewind, go back, do that a bunch more times with me. We're going to move on. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay? Those are all weight transfers, by the way, too. We're transferring our weight up. You're going down on 7 on your left leg. You're stepping back on your right leg. 8 to lift your hand on 1. Okay. Moving on, it's going to look like this. Okay, so you hit this on 1. You're going to kind of transfer your weight to your left leg. Step 2 to go cross, cross, okay? So what happens is you step on your right foot, left arm comes over first, step on your left foot, right hand comes over, boom. Then you're gonna take your right hand and you're just gonna go click, okay? Just like that. Then you're gonna come down, cross your arms to go, and then bring it back down, okay? So I'm gonna do that one more time. You're here on 1. Now you can hear my cat going nuts too. I need my own studio, guys. Okay, hit this on 1, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna step on your left foot, you're gonna go right foot cross, left foot cross, go ding, out like that, come down arms cross to go hood. When you do that, the arms are just going like that, you're lifting your right leg up, boom, boom, click. Your right ankle's gonna go out, okay? So just kind of stick it out, you're gonna switch it, do the other side, stick it out, okay? Then you're gonna bring your right leg up and you're gonna go twist, twist, twist. Okay? Kind of stay up on your toe if you can. You might notice in the video I'm not on my toe. I came off of it. You want to do it fully correctly. Get up on that toe. Twist, twist, twist. Okay? And the hands come up on that part too. So, after you hit on 1, boom, you're going to go cross, cross, click, down, hit, and hood. Then you're going to go boom, boom, and twist, twist, twist. Then what you're going to do is you're going to push your foot down, look at it, push your foot down, then you're going to bring it back in, your knee's going to go out, in, then you're going to do your hop, hop, and start all over again. So let's do it from the beginning. You're going to go hop, hop, da, 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 boo, do, 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 click, do, 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 hey, do, 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 wait, wait, hop. Ha, ta, ta, ta. Okay, and it starts all over again just like that. Again, if that was a little tricky, no worries. Pause the video, go back, rewind it, do it a whole bunch of times. Remember that repetition is your best friend. So you gotta do things just over and over and over and over again, especially when you put it on with the music because it's a lot faster. okay? But we at least had that little chunk there at the end. You can run it with me just like that. Just again, pause the video, rewind, and just keep doing it over and over again. But that is it, guys. That's how you do the Wake Up Fortnite emote. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if there's another emote you guys want me to do. I will stick them on the list, and we will do them here. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Hashtag keep dancing. Boom!